My sewing machine got stopped up at 2 a.m., so I need to fix it by myself. I was in the middle of sewing mesh robe when suddenly the needle broke and got stuck up. Calling a technician will cost a lot and it takes a week for them to fix it. It's not the first time it got stuck up, so I already figured out how to fix it. I'm sewing at nighttime because I have kids to take care of during daytime. This kind of trouble really eats my time in sewing. Putting on new needle to check if it's in timing and fixed. Tighten the screws. Oops, still not in timing. Fixing, screwing, checking, fixing. I am very sleepy at this moment, but I have to fix it before I go to bed. My baby might be hungry now. I thought it is okay, so I'm testing it out. Failed. If it's not in timing, the needle might break again and stuck up. I'm trying not to break any needle cause I have only two left. Finally, troubleshooting successful in just 30 minutes.